Yeah, welcome back again.
Quadruple? Oh, yeah. This is all we do, push-ups. All the way down, all the way up. Feel that pain? Keep going. Yo, today's windy. Up. Ooh, yeah. Feel that pain? Keep it going. Up. Ah. And that's how you want to start, huh? Yo, Omar, that's good. That's good. I get a big arm, do this push up. But when it gets stronger, do these push ups. Trust me. It's not about speed or number. Just focus. Focus on that arm. Focus on your arms. Yep. All the way down, all the way up. Hold it. Feel that pain and keep holding it. Don't stop. It's Zoran. Doing about four to five sets. Let's step it up. This is how I like to start. This is how I like to start, man. So done? What's up? What's good? What's good? Everyone join and want to smash everything. Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Let's go to work. Keep the pressure on that arm and focus. If you're doing this the right way, you're gonna feel that pressure and the pain in your triceps. Because right now, that's what we're trying to hit. Feel that pain and the pressure, you keep going. Hey Jay, what's good? It's good. Good evening, man. It's afternoon right here though. Oh, where you at? You don't want to take too much rest. Just joining it, that thumbs up. Remember, it's not about speed. It's not about speed, man. Focus, keep the tension on your arms. It's not about numbers. It's about the pressure, the work. Burning right now. Try to hold it. Keep going. One more, please. North Carolina. Okay. Nice. Good to have you here then. For real. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that thumbs up. Let's go to work. We're doing like one more or two sets of these. Then we're gonna move on. Lift some of these homemade weights. Hey kid, what's up? Hey Jay Bush, I appreciate that, man. Thank you. Appreciate you being here always, Kate. Thank you. windy right now. I don't know if you all can hear that. Whoa, the breeze is so cool, man. Beautiful day. Alright, so we managed to get 20 reps with this. Jay, appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. Good to hear that, man. All right, so what we got? Yep. Let's move up the weights, man. Everyone, is smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're new. Let's get to work. Yep. Yo. Yeah. Wow, it's a beautiful day, man. No joke. Yesterday the sound system was playing. As soon as we hit that button to start stream. That was a 9, man, but so far different today. Sun is out and the breeze is blowing. Yo, Blaze, what's good? What's good? What's poppin'? I see you, I see you. It's going good, man. Beautiful day. How about you, Blaze? That's good. That's good. That's good. What's going on? Getting a lot of rain in North Carolina. Really? You're doing good? Nice, nice. Let's do one more rep. One more set, I mean. And we're gonna step up the weight. There's a competition. It's, I think we have to light a big fire after this, man. No, oh, choke. Let's do a closer grip. Yeah. See, the sun is out today. It's a good look. Either way, it's always a blessing. Welcome one and all. People here from Russia, people here from Ukraine. Welcome to you all. Let's get it, let's get it. Just doing work, you know, putting that work daily. Want to see results, have to put in that work. So that's what we're doing. Here to motivate, you know. Or anything you want to achieve, put in that work. That's what you're gonna achieve, right? From Jamaica, right here. Stefano, Italian. Welcome, welcome, man. Go ready here. Remember, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Putting this weight together, adding some more weights to it. Make it heavier. Hopefully this can motivate someone. See that I don't got a gym, but I don't let that stop me. What motivate me? First half, Arnold, Cena Arnold, movie star, and John Cena, Kelly Muscle. I remember starting from 2017. Every Tuesday I used to do like 1,000 push-ups, and I would do push-up daily. But every Tuesday I would do like 1,000 plus push-ups, and within a month, man, I know I saw look in the mirror, I see a lot of changes, and that motivate me, man, to just keep pushing and keep going. From ever since I realized I don't really contract anymore, like flu, or cold, what do you guys call it? Stronger immune system, physically more stronger. I get to go around and do work in my yard more easier. And just the feedback, everything, all that motivates. Mm, 28, 28 right now. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new. Ah. 28, Blaze, yeah. Thought I was older, really? Damn, I look that old. Yeah. You thought that was how much? How old you thought I was? '40s, come on, man. Really? I'm not even mad at you, man. It's all good. Our '50s. Hey, you're trolling right now. You're trolling. You're funny. You're funny, man. Alright, so this right now is over 90 pounds. That one is over 90 pounds. So after this, we're gonna do like with this. This is almost 100 pounds. We're gonna do. I'm just guessing because it's heavy. And I've been to the gym back in the day, you know. So I'm just guessing. This definitely feels like almost 100 pounds. The other one is gonna be over 100 pounds. So I just had blocks to them to get it more heavier, you know. So I got nothing else. All right, so if everyone is gonna be here until later on, I'm thinking about lighting a big fire. So if you want me to light that fire, just hit that thumbs up button, man. Wow, man, really, really. You're bad for assuming you're good. It's all good. You said you thought it was 50 or 40s. Wow, man. At least I'm being honest, it's all good. I have no idea look that hole, Anyone else I'm here thought I was in my 40s or 50s? Yo, still my G Blaze, it's all good. You dude. Yo, what's good? What's good? Maybe I'm thinking about maybe later on. The thing is, I've been busy all week. I've been busy, so busy. I'm thinking about doing a Battlefield stream maybe later on. All right, so just look out for me. Maybe later on. If it's not later on, Sunday is maybe Sunday evening. Oh yeah. Hey Jay, appreciate you, man. The thing is, my homie Blaze said he thought I was in my 40s or 50s. Wow. Well, still my homie though. That's my homie. Hey, yo, what's up, Nav? How you doing, man? All right, Blaze. Oh yeah. So we're thinking about doing another set with this. Then we're gonna lift heavier than that. Appreciate you all joining. Appreciate you hitting that thumbs up button. Don't be afraid to drink the water enough, you know? Just here to motivate, man. Inspire. Share my journey. Drink that water. I already know. I have to drink that water, man. Yeah, no mercy was good. It's good to have you here, man. As usual. That gloves though. We definitely have to try to get that thing for the bank. So currently we're just waiting for that to reach the bank, you know? Yeah, man, cause we need that gloves. So I'm using these at the moment. Sometimes it just sucks being in Jamaica. It's a beautiful place. The atmosphere is beautiful, the oxygen, but certain things is just it's gonna take a while for certain things to reach out here, man. I'm trying to add a Jamaican bank to my PayPal, but I can't, unfortunately. Contact them, still can't. So we still have other methods that we are trying to use. But yeah, man. No mercy, enough respect, man. Always. Blaze says he's not even 50s. Let's get to work. Blaze said he's not even in his 50s. Yo, Blaze, so what's new? What have you been playing lately? Yeah. There you go, there you go. Some rat blocks, okay. Yeah, mercy, no mercy, you already know, man. All right, so straight. If I'm doing like fast push-up, like I see most YouTubers or bodybuilders do, I can do over 100. But if I'm doing my type of push-ups, which is triangle push-ups, slow motion, with pressure on my arm, the most I can do is about like 40 straight, 30 odd plus. Yeah, but if I'm gonna do push-ups like normal push-ups, I can do over 100 easy, man. If I'm gonna go with speed, but to me, it's not about speed. It's just all about control and form and focus and putting those pressures on the muscle. Gadowski, Louis. That's good. That's good. That's good. What's up, man? All right, Blaze, I hear it. Sound system again. So I think that was a sound system yesterday. No Mercy that was prepping for that party. So the party is like 400 meters out on the somewhere on the street. So now they're tuning up at the same time again. So we're probably gonna have to, I don't know, mute the stream sometimes. I don't know. There's always parties here, man. The music, we call it dance. There's always parties everywhere. Yo, Robin, where I'm from, Jamaica. I'm in Jamaica right now. Country area. Really, man. I'm probably gonna get I'm probably gonna have to mute my thing, man. So I'm gonna mute this now and then. All right. I apologize again, man. Well, let's go. Let's go back to work. All right. So today we're training. Currently training triceps. I'm gonna do biceps after this. Yeah, that sound system. I have to mute the mic now and then. No, they have to play music, man. They have to play music at parties. That's how it is. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new. Let's get this. I'm gonna do one more set. Try to do a closer grip with this. Let's get this. Smoking weed all the time in Jamaica? No. We got a lot of people here that smoke, but not everyone smokes, man, for real. If I link up with I don't know, friends, maybe at a party gathering or whatever, yeah, maybe smoke, but yeah, I'm not really a smoker. But yeah, there's a lot of people here that smoke weed for sure, you know, so it's a thing here. Lightweight. put in that light work. Nah, no, 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 no. That's not. That's not what you mean. That's not what you. I know that's not what you mean, man. But it's all good. Getting hungry? Luis, Luis, respect. Take care. Peace out, man. Don't know what to eat. Eat protein. From Canada, Veronica. What's up? What's up? Good to have you here. Let's work. Yes. That one is heavy. I have to go again. It's about 30, 31 degrees right now. Maybe some 32 degrees some other place in Jamaica here. But it looks, I think it's 31 degrees right now. Or 30. That's the norm every day, you know. Amber, what's up? What's up? Oh yeah. It's annoying, but sometimes we have to mute the microphone just due to that music in the background. Alright, so we're gonna do about 3 sets of these. We're gonna start high, right on this height. Then we're gonna go, each set we're gonna go lower. Lower is gonna be more intense so we can hit the tricep. Yeah, Minnie, what's good, man? What's up, man? You already know. Try to do about 10 reps. Let's go. All the way. Yep. Yep. So he fall in his face. Nah. Bro, there's a guinea tree right there. I think those guineas are ready. If you guys want to see that guineas on the tree, just let me know. I can turn the camera there. I think they're almost ready, man. Wow, the tree is stuck. Lita. All right, so we start from this height and we're gonna go right here. More intense. The lower you go is more intense. Yep. Yep. The height, I don't know the height, man, to be honest. So that's the guinea tree right there. Yeah, it's a good height. I'm gonna use like a bamboo bamboo and pick the guinea. I'm not gonna climb the tree. Definitely not gonna climb down that tree, man. But I mean, I have no problem climbing it though. Compare that tree against the others. That one is not really that high. It's okay, you know, okay height. Ah! Ah! Oh. Oh. Santos, what's up? Veronica, keep going. All right, so that's it. That's 3 sets each. Now it's time to do some pull-ups. Hmm. All right, so this is how we're gonna start it off. All right. Oh yeah. Ah. Oh yeah. No mercy, thank you. Veronica. Appreciate you all, man. Yeah, so the respect is all respect and discipline because the chin have to go over the bar. I try to make sure my chin always go over the bar, you know. Ah. Ah. Francisco also run. Used to. But I run sometimes, but back in the day I used to do like real traps running and playing football, soccer. Anyone joining, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new. Welcome to the channel if it's your first time here. We do daily stream. If we're not working out on the rest days, we try to do cooking or anything, expect anything. But daily we work out daily. Only Thursdays is the day where we do like cooking, anything that come to mind. yeah. Wow. Wow, this is moving weird right now. Yeah. You guys realize I hold the way I hold the bar is to make some of that pressure come on my bicep. Because that's what we're training. We're starting out with some pull-ups. Let's get it. Yep. Bro, really? If you're motivated, hit that thumbs up button. Respect the movement, hit that thumbs up button. Whoa! Okay, wow. Oh yeah, let's move on. All right, let's get it. Bob, my G. What's poppin', G? What's poppin'? Not much, man. Having a good day, man. Beautiful day. How about you, man? Good, doing good, doing good. Can't complain for real, for real. For real, man, for real. Some cool breeze blowing. Beautiful day, man. Beautiful day. Mardin. Hello, in Turkey. Hey, what's up? What's up? Welcome. You already know. Appreciate you all, man. Works never stop, you know. It's always a pleasure sharing my journey with you all, man. No matter what. Gotta keep moving on. Oh yeah. yeah. Up. Man. So, so you make nice like that, your wife. You probably need an ambulance. These guys are funny, man. Yeah, man. So far, it's a beautiful day. I know I said that like 10 times, but some cool breeze blowing, man. So if you guys hear that weird sound in the background, is that it's because it's windy. Started hiding them in your roti. Nice, man. How's the feeling? What's the feeling? You feel like it's eating that tricep good? As long as you're extending them the right way, definitely gonna feel it. And that's how you know you eating them right way, you know? But way here, in and out. As long as you feel that tension, that pressure on your tricep, then you know, yeah, we're doing something. Yeah, man, they keep pushing, man. It works, you know. It's not all about lifting. You guys already know that. It's not all about lifting, you know. It's all about that just focus, you know. Yeah, man. Welcome, you already know. Yeah. When you stretch them, that's when you're gonna feel even more pressure in the tricep, and you know, yeah, we're hitting it. Up. we've done. Just getting started. Oh! Yeah! Ah! So for real, how you guys summer going so far, man? How yeah, summer going so far? Any special plans? My plans here is to do putting some more, harder work, go harder, to motivate and share my experience with you all, Wait, what? What? Yo, thank you, man. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, bro. Appreciate you, man. No mercy. Huge respect. Appreciate you from the heart, man. Thank you. We definitely gonna try to treat ourselves for real, man. 1,000 thanks, alright? Appreciate you, man. Only son turned 17 tomorrow, doing birthday stuff with him. Yo, congrats, man. And good luck with that, man. All the best, man. Wow. It's a blessing, man. It's a blessing, Work and work nowadays. It's the life. Yeah, Bob, you gotta hustle, man. You gotta do what you gotta do, man. Your bills gotta pay, you gotta eat, So you have to work, man, for real, huh? Once more, no mercy. Appreciate you, man. That's a third donation in like 1 week. That's crazy, man. I know I said thanks like 10,000 times, but appreciate you, man. It's so a raise, Grateful for the least of things. Anyway, let's keep working. I appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, man. Bless you, man. I appreciate you. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I have no idea. I have no idea. I'm here, probably gonna get copyright later on. The thing is, it's crazy. I'm in my own backyard, man, and I have to be, still a issue here, you know. I'm in my own yard. But like I said, like every country here in Jamaica where you go, maybe it's just my area. There's a lot of sound system here. A lot of sound system, big sound systems. That string up when they keep parties like every weekend or holidays, you know how it is. Big sound systems, bass line beating, everything trumping. Sometimes they party like morning. I find a bar the other day and got a couple of side tables and pull up some of them. Yo Bob, it's good to hear that, man. It's good to hear that. Inspiration, motivation. That's what I like to hear right there, man. Hell yeah, bro. Can I ask YouTube? It's not okay. I think I'm gonna get copyright something. Cause this phone, the thing is, it's not like my PC where I can use like suppress the sound, the mic. You know, but I can't with cause I'm streaming with YouTube app. I can't suppress the mic, and unfortunately. Greetings from Poland. That Matteo or Mato? Good to have you here, man. Yo, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna. No, it is though. I read their policy. I know about their policy, you know, and thing, but it's really stressing at times, you know, for real. Because I don't got their sound system under control. I don't know when they're gonna string up and play, you know. All right, so before we go, if you guys got any questions or I don't know, suggestions for next Thursday coming up stream. We're thinking about maybe doing some cooking. I don't know what's gonna happen yet, but anything can go down. So we're about to end the live. Appreciate you all, man. I love you all. Thank you for the support, man. You know, you already know, so motivation. Nothing but love daily. All right, peace out, y'all. Take care. Love you all, man.